Is Olden a good cruise port to visit? Yes, absolutely yes. Stay with us and we will show you around this absolutely beautiful part of Norway. We'll show you some of the best activities to get up to while you're here, such as the Loen Sky Lift and checking out the Briksdal Glacier. If you are visiting Olden via a cruise, well, you are in for a treat. I'd strongly recommend you get up at around 5:30, if not a little bit earlier if you're keen. The sail into this beautiful village is absolutely sensational. Take a look. Cruise ships dock right into the heart of Olden and you get beautiful views from the get-go. There are two exceptionally popular excursions available, a trip to the Briksdal Glacier or a trip on the Loen Sky Lift. If you want to go to the Briksdal Glacier, I'd recommend heading to the pub you can see in shot now, and at the bottom you'll see this information room. Now as you head in on the screen you will see what shuttles are available that day as well as the price, and there's always someone available behind the desk and they're always very friendly and helpful. If you prefer to stay closer to the ship, then just over the road there is a souvenir shop as well as breathtaking views literally all around you. If you prefer to go on the Loen Sky Lift, then normally outside the ship there will be people hanging around selling tickets. The buses take around 5 minutes to get to the Sky Lift and they leave pretty often. The buzz ride in itself, as you can see, is a treat. We were the first two people off our cruise ship and it honestly does pay to get off early because you get to the activities first and it just prevents any queues forming. Before you get on the lift, there is a souvenir shop. Gosh, Norway loves their souvenir shops. And then you make your way to the station. The Sky Lift is relatively new. The project began around 2015 and it officially opened on the 20th of May 2017. The mountain sits at 1,000 feet above sea level. It has a very steep gradient up to 54 degrees and is one of the steepest cable cars in the world. It moves pretty quickly, but it is remarkably smooth. There's only one bump at the top. For anyone that would like to see the full trip on this lift, I will add a link to the end of this video. The ride itself takes around 5 to 7 minutes and it is absolutely beautiful. Once you get to the top, believe it or not, there is another souvenir shop and they sell some absolutely gorgeous snacks. Check out those cinnamon rolls. Then of course it's time to explore and the views are insane. Check it out. How amazing is that, eh? Now the paths are really well maintained and gritted if it's icy or snowy, but of course take care and take good footwear. Now there's a really nice restaurant and cafe as you can see here. If you're just going to pop in for a coffee and cake, there are a fair few tables in here that aren't reserved. However, if you're planning to come here and have a full seated meal, then I would strongly recommend booking ahead. On the way back down, the descent is much quicker, especially at the start, so don't let it spook you. It is perfectly fine. This trip is incredible, and I hope this video so far has done it justice. Back in the heart of Olden. If you don't want to take part in any excursions, of course there's lots to do just in the centre here, and one of the things we'd strongly recommend you do is check out the local pub. It's just up these stairs, and as you can see, it's a really nice cute little area to have a local beer. The staff in here are lovely, and it's always nice to sit down and have a drink with the locals. Another perk being the first people off the ship, it just meant we had lots of time, so we were able to cram in a second excursion. We booked a shuttle bus to take us to the Briksdal Glacier, and that is a must for anyone that wants to see nature at its best. On your way over, make sure you keep your eyes peeled and look to the right, because sometimes you'll get this beautiful mirror glaze effect on the fjords. The journey doesn't take long, and to be honest, it flew by because it's just so beautiful. When you get to the park, you get one of the best views from the very beginning. Check this out. For a charge, there is a troll car service available. Now, it will take you most of the way, but there is still a walk ahead, so please do bear this in mind. If you do decide to walk, it is absolutely gorgeous. There's lots of waterfalls around and just loads of luscious greenery. Now do beware, the stairs are pretty steep as you can see, but when you get to the end of the trail, you'll see that it was all worthwhile. How amazing is that? Honestly, I wish I was there right now. The walk takes around 45 minutes, but it's so worth it. When you get back down to base, there is a cafe as well as a souvenir shop as well. We tried some cakes. They were pretty expensive, but they were lovely. If you have cruised into this port, make sure you go out onto an open deck during sail away, as the pub played loud music and give us a big bon voyage. The only problem with Olden is we have to say goodbye, and honestly, we won't look at a Norway cruise unless Olden is one of the cruise stops. If you're lucky enough to be heading to Olden anytime soon, we hope you have the best time. Until then, why not check out our video of the Loen Sky Lift.